Want to download and install KMPlayer on your Windows PC? In this video, I'll show you the fastest and safest way to install KMPlayer in 2026. First, open any browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. In the search bar, type KMPlayer download. Open the official website from KMP Media. Click the download button for Windows. The setup file will begin downloading automatically. After downloading, open the setup file. Click Yes if prompted. Click Next. Finish. Open KMPlayer and start playing your videos. KMPlayer supports 4K videos, subtitle customization, advanced playback controls. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to IT Next for more tech tutorials.